See those little tiny bins that they got there, they work okay. You know, they have to be filled up again because as you can see, they splash around. Chad here. Welcome back to the farm, guys. I'm standing in the duck pond right now and I'm trying my best to figure out the level. So I have my laser level on one side here. I don't know if you can see the green line. Very faint because it's so sunny outside. I piled up a bunch of soil here because I know that this side is the low point, so this almost acts like a berm. I can see the green line. It's almost at the top, so actually I estimated pretty good, but it's just at the top of this berm here. I'm just trying to use the shovel here to shape it because the excavator is not really good for fine detail work, or at least my skill level. If you look at it right here, this is the top edge where the water line's going to be, but maybe in the future I want to put some potted aquatic plants, so I'm making a little ledge approximately 12 inches below the surface of the water, and that's going to help with aeration. A long time ago I found some old carpet in the side of the road and actually I've been saving it for probably more than 2 years in anticipation of me building a pond so I could save money and use it as a lining underneath the pond liner. It's a little bit brisk, a little bit windy here on the farm. It's calling for flurries today. It's sunny right now, it's supposed to be sunny later, but it's not looking like it's going to be a great day. I wanted to get a lot of work done in the duck pond today, so we'll see if we can do that in and amongst the wind. The clock crew wants to come out and play. Molly's here ready to help me with the pond. Olive's here ready to help guard me from the geese. We're going to get the geese out. We're going to get the ducks out. Might not be a great idea as I'm working in the orchard, but they haven't been out for a few days because it's been horrible raining. And I think I owe them a nice adventurous day out in the orchard. Since we're over this way, might as well let these black leghorns out. It's their turn today. Elvis and a bunch of the hens, they haven't been out. Always nice to see the chickens, you know, fluttering around in their chicken yard. So fun. Mango, what are you doing, buddy? Hey, you're the one that doesn't want to wear a collar. Hey, you're the one that doesn't want to wear a collar. How you doing, buddy? You gonna help me build a duck pond today? Tango! Hi, Tango. Hi, Chunk. You guys all want pets, huh? There's Olive and Molly waiting for the guest dogs to come out and play. Look at Molly, she's watching the front door like a hawk. Mango, Okay, you better come back though, okay? I don't want any problems. I feel so bad. Mango's crying and he wants to be with his family. I don't think he'll go far. He always just hangs around with Chunk or Dexter or Tango. Just went into the cat house here to get this ladder because I don't want to be down in the pond and then I can't get out. That wouldn't be good. Dexter? You coming up here, bud? Hey, buddy. How are ya? There's Chunk. Look at him. Chunk, I see you, bud. Oh, gosh, I hear Fozzie crying like a baby again. Fozzie, what are you crying for? You want to say hi to Dexter and Chunk? Hopefully I have everything I need to get this pond done today. I have this huge waterfall filter. It's like a biofilter. There's these little balls that you put into it. I got the 2-inch piping. I got a 2-inch pump. I have the little balls and this big sack right here. This is the liner itself. It's really heavy. So hopefully I can just unroll it and do it myself. Let me go check on these pigs. I'm still working on that rat problem. I caught one rat the other day. I cleaned the trap and I caught another one. So that's 2, but basically I got another trap there. I set it with some cheese, so we'll see how that went. Billy! Oh no, you're getting lots of poop. Billy, you're pooping too much. Yeah, you're pooping too much. You're pooping too much. What are you doing? And I see that I caught something in that trap. Got some bananas and some apples for the pigs today. Gonna let the pigs out. Billy's itchy. What is she doing? Pigs love to scratch. They have a very itchy skin. Whoa. Piglets are still scared of me. Billy here, because she's weaning from the piglets, she pretty much has this area to herself, and she's used that area as a bathroom, and she's used that area as a bathroom. So the sooner I can get rid of these 3 boy piglets left, and I can move Billy back into her stall there, and then I can start really organizing the barn and do the spring cleanup. No takers for the piglets yet though, guys. They're getting big. Look at the size of them. Anybody local around here that wants a piglet, let me know. Here, Billy. Here. Want some water, Billy? You guys okay? You want this food? I know you want it. You guys are always hungry. What are you so scared for? I helped give birth to you. Hey, I'm gonna open up the store so you can go out later. Stop. Here. You guys want some bananas too? Here. Bobby, what are you doing? You're spilling it, man. You're spilling it. What are you doing? That's not cool, man. That's not cool, man. You're making a mess. See, I switched the trap to a different type of trap, and not those black plastic ones. They work good too, but man, this is a battle. Definitely the rats learn not to touch the peanut butter, not to go in the trap. So I switched it over to a different trap and a piece of cheese. And then I got 2 rats and this rat. So, I mean, it's been a couple days now in the chicken house. I haven't caught anything with the cheese, and we're gonna check it again today. I will end up filling in all the holes with some cement. I just need to kind of get some time to clear out all this bedding, and then I can identify the holes, because there's probably 4 or 5 holes around the barn here. And then I'm gonna fill it all in with cement, and then put it, you know, keep an eye out for when they try to dig their way out. Okay, pigs are done. Let's hope this beautiful sun lasts for the day. It'll be interesting. Golden forsythia is in bloom. The guests in the farmhouse are doing great. They're having a really great time here at the farm, especially the kids. So it's good times. I finally got my shop vac out, so I'm getting close to being able to clean, do a nice spring cleaning. You see all this like dust and particles? I'm trying to finish up this duck pond so that I can at least get that out of the way. And then I'm gonna start cleaning out all the animal barns, and it should be a bit warmer for me. That's one of the light Sussex hens. Chickens are funny. These barred rocks give some really good eggs. Like, look at the size of that egg. That's really good size. All the chickens are doing pretty good. All the roosters are doing pretty good. You know, we got Michael Jackson and the light Sussex here. They're doing fine. All the Rhode Island Reds are doing fine. The barred rocks doing okay. And of course, we got the black leghorn with Elvis, the king. They're doing great. Big Red, his feathers are slowly coming back. He's still not ready to rejoin his flock, but I'm going to let him grow out his tail feathers a little bit more. This is the size of the pond. So hopefully I'll never have to refill this thing, because the ducks and the geese will just have unlimited space and water to splash around and frolic. Dexter! Hey, buddy. How are ya? That's supposed to help you protect it while it's shipping, otherwise it might get punctured. Because this is an EDPM rubber liner. It's really good quality. It's going to last for a long time. It can withstand the UV rays of the sun, and it's one of the more popular liners to use in koi ponds or just general wildlife ponds. Fuzzy, what are you doing? Come here, Fuzzy. Hey, what are you doing? Come here. Not you, Dexter. You're like a little ninja. You're a Black Panther ninja. I'm talking Fuzzy here. Fuzzy, jump up here, bud. Fuzzy. Come on. No? What are you doing? You're so lazy. What are you doing? You're so lazy. Dexter. Dexter, what are you doing in the bottom of my pond? There's no mice down there. Look, you got sand all over your face now. You got sand all over your face. The one day that I have to do this pond and it's snowing. I can't get a break. Guys, there's no water in the pond yet. Jeez. This is ridiculous. Come on, Mother Nature. Jeez Louise. Dexter, you want to come in out of the snow? Hey, you're coming in out of the snow? I know, buddy. It's bad weather. I guess this guy wanted to get out of the snow. Dexter! You're such a good boy. This is getting ridiculous. I got all my stuff ready to make a pond, and look what's happening. It's like a winter wonderland again. Oh, brother, I really couldn't have picked a worse day to work on this. It's so windy, it's blowing it all over the place, but I got it pretty well set. I'm going to get the ladder, I'm going to jump in there and try to push it into the corners because I don't want to get it filled with water and then it just sinks, you know? The geese want in. I went and I got a bunch of big rocks and I put it all around the edging, and I don't know if it's exactly right, but, you know, I have to add rocks in any case, so something to start with anyhow. There's no water yet, guys. Oh, there's Maggie. Maggie. I see ya. Junk. Hey, you guys. There's the big guy over there. He doesn't want to be alone. Olive's watching the geese for me so they don't bother me. Why do you guys want to stand right on the edge? There's no water in there yet. It's interesting though with these geese because I think they know that this is going to be water. I think they're very smart animals and they're always hanging around the edge, almost as if they want to jump into the pond. It's coming together though, we're getting close. Getting close. But I do have a problem. I ordered a pump that's supposed to have a 2-inch connection. And then there's a 2-inch flexible PVC. I don't know if I screwed up or what, but the challenge is this thing has like ribs on it, and this is supposed to go in here, and then you just put like a clamp. The problem is it's so loose, really loose, like more loose than what I'd like it. I'm gonna bring this to the hardware store and get something that can go over this more tightly, and then I can use a 2-inch. That's basically it for today though, folks. You can see the size of it though, so it's pretty laid out nicely. I'll have that filter with this little stream and then like a waterfall that's gonna fall in there. And I got myself one cinder block so that I can put the cinder block in the bottom, and then I can put the pump on top of the cinder block so that the pump itself is not sitting down with all the muck and the poop that's gonna fall down into the bottom. Maybe one more episode and I'll have this duck pond done. Anyways, see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.